YouTubers, welcome back to Finding Keno. Chris here, the OG of Keno. So you see what it is in the title. We're going to do another 10 spot video. This is using the garage door 10 spot system. Now you can do the 9 spots in this, also 8 spots. You can do 7. But yeah, I'm going to do 10. So let's see how it works. So basically what it's going to look like is basically looks like a garage door. I don't know if you've seen some of my videos. This is the heavens door, but we're going to stretch it out and do this. And of course, it's going to be 12 numbers. So we're going to leave 2 numbers out of each card. So we'll have 10 spots on all the cards using these 12 numbers. 34, 35 is in there. So let's go ahead and leave it like that. A would look like that. Let's do B. Looks like a big U. Alright, let's do C, do the same thing, do it like this, come around here, just take 2 out, make these big U's here, these 10 spot U's, and then yeah, just get creative. It doesn't matter which 2 you take out, just as long as there's 2 not in there. Alright, let's take out the corners. Like that. You can get creative. CHE. Make sure I repeat these here. Oh, I didn't do H. Whoops. Glad I went back. Look at that. I'm not even setting it up in the right spot. Look at this. I'm messing this all up. There we go. Yeah, just put 10 spots anywhere and everywhere. See if we have them all covered. I don't think I have any multiples, but it almost looks the same there. Yeah, I don't know. This one here might be a multiple, 2633. Let me pause this. Let me fix it. Okay, I'm back. Actually, it was the other card was 26 and 34 was taken out, so it looks similar, but it's two different cards. So cool. All right, so yeah, let's get started. So if you're new to the channel, appreciate you guys watching. Please subscribe, click the notification bell so I get new material. I'll upload it and you get notified. So let's see how this one works. Yeah, pretty excited to try this one. So let's get started. And of course, you can put this anywhere. We start around 184,000. So let's see how we do. I should play this at the bottom. Not bad, not bad. 872. Yeah, if we hit some sixes, 6 out of 12 is great. You make a little bit. Woo! Alright, hit a 7 out of 12 there. Nice. 3,080. We're in profit. See right here? Look at this. See, I thought about playing down here somewhere, but played it up there. It's fine. You can win anywhere on this with this bad boy. Look at this. Get the heaven's door laying down there. Woo! Another 7. Here we go. Doing well. Woo! There we go. Boom. 8 spot. Got a S here. Boing. Need 2 more. That'd been sweet. Another one would have been really good. We got a lot of 7 out of 10s. 10,704. Nice. Up 17,000 for the day. That was beautiful. It's a good thing about the 10 spot. You don't have to hit all of them. Just 8 out of 10 is decent. And when you do a multi-card like this, yeah, you can get you can hit something good. You can hit hand pay. We're not even hitting, 10 out of 10 or 9 out of 10. You can hit multiple of them. It all adds up, and you can get a hand pay. Hey, there's a cross. Look at that. See right here? It's coming around here. Eight's trying to come in. All kind of stuff coming over here. dry spell here. Sometime over here, going a little dry spell, which is kind of normal after you hit something good. It goes to a little dry spell. That's why in a casino, if you hit something good on a machine, yeah, just go ahead and try another machine or call it a day and take your profits home. Yeah, I'd have been gone a while ago, but yeah, I'm just trying this one out, see what you guys think. Go, 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 go. Ah, it's dying out. Yeah, this is the reason why you should leave after a big win. It's just going to milk you down. But I've seen crazy things happen. Like that. Woo! That's 7. Yeah, need one more. Could hit something. Yeah, it's time for this section to get hot again. Come on, numbers. Trying to get as many spins as I can in 30 minutes. Look at this. Go, 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 go. Dang. There we go. Time to heat up. Wow, look at this. All down in here. Go, 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 go. dried out. Man, gone cold. It's alright, one good hit. You just gotta wait for it to come back around. Lost all my profits. I think I was up at 17,000. Still up for the video, but it's like, dang. That's what happens when you stay in one spot for a while. It just goes cold. There we go. Something. Yeah. Going out with a bang. Alright, so did about 30 minutes worth. So what do you think about this? This is the garage door 10 spot. Like I said earlier in the video, you can do 9 spots, 8 spots out of these 12 numbers. But yeah, I made had it up to 17,000. Hit a couple good ones. This one here, very awesome. Casino win, 53 grand. Hitting 10,000 credits if you're playing $5 per credit. But yeah, so yeah, let me know what you guys think. Yeah, would you try this in a casino? Yeah, of course you need a big bankroll if you want to play max bet on this, but $4 a spin on nickels. But yeah, you can do $1 a spin. But I appreciate you guys watching. So yeah, comment, and I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, thanks guys.